Alright y'all, welcome back. Today we are just riding around. I don't have anything planned. We're just going to kind of explore the Hayward area. Let's see if I can get around this guy. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Should get some mirrors for this thing. But yeah, like I said, we're just gonna kind of explore, check everything out, and see what we can find, dude. Got a fresh charge on this guy. And, we'll just go up here. On the sidewalks, I want to keep it nice and chill. I don't really like to go on the street in these areas where it's super tight, just because, yeah, I don't want to get hit. But when I am on the sidewalk, I'm gonna keep it cool, keep it chill. I don't want to, hurt anybody. Obviously, if I see people on the sidewalk, I'll get off, and make way for them. But if it's clear like this, dude, and if I feel safe, I'm doing this all day. And it's kind of a little bit more technical than just a straight flat line, which is fun. Okay. Yeah, see, there's more obstacles and stuff. But it's kind of chilly out today. I brought a jacket just in case I need it. I don't think I will. I think it's only going to get warmer. It's about, 11, almost 12 right now. So I think we're in a good way. Let me see how far out I go. Gonna look for a nice little bike trail. I don't really know of too many around here. The only one I kind of think would be a nice ride is the one at Don Castro, which I've been there before, and it's fun. It's a great little off-roading, off-road trail. I think we'll check that out towards the end of the ride. Just want to kind of warm up here. I think we're good to go on the street now. It's not as tight there. But, yeah, we're just going to take it easy. Kind of schmob through this area here. If I do want to go to Don Castro, it's the opposite way, so I don't know. I have to turn around. We'll see. We'll see. I think that's what we'll do. I think we'll go to Don Castro. There's not much to see out here. Let me see. I'll have to pull it up in the maps, honestly, because I'm not too familiar. I think I could just wing it, and then I'd be fine. But I don't want to get lost either. Do not want to get lost. Ugh. Yeah. Damn. I think somebody took his fucking catalytic converter, brother. That's crazy. So, out here, I don't like to be on the street too much. Like I said, people really just don't give a fuck driving out here. I mean, they drive pretty recklessly. There's actually a story on the news of a cyclist who was hit. It was a hit and run in Oakland, which is awful. And that in itself is really bad, but he ended up passing away. He's not with us anymore. I think it was like 10 days after the crash, so I'm assuming he was in the hospital and just couldn't pull through. Just fucking it's awful, dude. I can't imagine the family, what they're going through with that sort of thing, because it's crazy, you buckle up and think you're going for a ride, and that's the last one he ever went on, dude. That's fucking awful. So yeah, that's why I don't like to stay on the streets as much, unless there's ample room and I can just kind of vibe. But out here, there's no sidewalk. I mean, when there is, it looks like that, people parking all over it and stuff, so. Yeah, I mean, there's no sidewalk. But, this is the perfect place, I think. I think this is Fairview up here. It's the name of the neighborhood. And this thing just freaking pulls, baby. Yeah, we're going 35, 36 up this hill, no problem. And we're in C, that's the custom mode. I haven't customized anything on it, so it's just the standard preset. Sheesh. Yeah, might have to turn around. Let's see. All right, we back. Fresh battery, and yeah, this is the beginning of the trail. So we're gonna head down here, check her out. Oh yeah, look. So goes that way, but I think we want to go this way, so let's check it out. Oh yeah, this is definitely it. Okay, let's roll, playa. We'll just stay on the main trail today. Nice and bouncy. I should get some off-road tires, or some off-road, or like not obviously off-road, but like hybrid ones for stuff like this, because I don't have any traction. You see that? Well, you probably can't see it, but I kind of skirted out a little bit. I'll put some B-roll footage of me doing that. Some fun ones. Yeah, pretty empty. Not a lot of people out here today. I think people mostly like the come out here for the pool and stuff for the kids, which makes sense. Yeah. We'll just be easy on the corners in case there's people out. And what's this way? A decision. We'll go this way. Horse poop. Wow. Well, probably can't go. I'll go this way. Decisions. Let's go up. Let's go up. Got some peeps. Hello. She was admiring the scooter, bro. She's checking it out. She's like, what the heck is that? Whoa! Ah, Jesus. She's like, what the heck is that? And what are you doing out here with it? Yeah, I think last time I was here, it had rained earlier in the week, so it was super muddy. So I didn't get to do a whole lot of exploring. Storm damaged trail. Let's just go down. I just want to check it out a little bit. Oh, wow. Yeah, so bikes are not allowed on this trail. So I think we'll just keep going. Fuck it. We'll just do a little bit. I don't think there's a lot of people here. Oh, we got one person. What's up? Yeah, this is fun. Yeah, I don't think anybody cares really. The only thing that really sucks is if I get a flat. Gotta push this frickin' thing all the way out. Yeah, here's the mud. Here is the mud. Oh, jeez. Yeah, okay, let's see. Doesn't look too bad right there. I should be able to cross. Let's see. You know what? I think we'll do, because I don't want to get hella muddy. Do the stick test. Oh, that's not bad. Yeah, that's not bad. Oh, you see this way? Looks like people made a little bridge when the water was streaming down that way. Smart. I'm assuming that's what that is there too. But yeah, okay, let's go. Yeah, come on, bitch. Oh God, gross. Ugh. Oh, come on, let's get out of here. Yeah, see, she's stuck. Okay, let's just push it. Come on. Oh God, I'm gonna have to cut this out. This is embarrassing. Okay, we made it. Probably a lot more. I think I made it a lot more difficult than it actually needed to be. But yeah, let's keep going. Yeah, I got the mud. I got the mud on the scoot. Can hear it on the brakes. Dude, this is pretty expansive. Let's go. Let's keep going. Take her nice and easy, bro. Oh, geez. Let's see if we can make it up this. And we did it. Oh, I kind of just... yeah, I can hear my tire dragging. Oh, there's the place. I think we're turn around here because I'm not trying to. God, kind of a steep hill. All right. Okay, we're good. Oh man, this is too much fun. Okay, let's go back up. Yeah, let's just go this way. We'll go back. I think we'll go up the hill directly in front of us. I was expecting to see a lot more people, but I think over here in this Hayward, Castro Valley area, people prefer to go to Lake Chabot. Not to swim, but to hang out and hike. Even though this is underrated trail, dude. Very, very underrated. Looks like we've got some property up here. Oh, this is an opening. No shit. Wow, I didn't know there's a opening this way. Oh God. Oh, I hope I don't get a flat. Oh. Oh no, this is property. This is... What is this? Oh, it's their property, I think. And then this just goes out into the street. Yeah, let's go. Let's go check it out. Plus, I gotta make sure my tires are in one piece. That's cool. Little entrance. Alright, tire check. Yep, feels fine. And oh yeah, feels fine. That one feels a lot less filled with air. That's okay. No public parking or public vehicles permitted. Yeah, that's fine. I don't see anything about bikes. Like the other trailhead, it said no bikes, or not the trailhead, but one of the little signs. So, okay, let's go back down. We'll take her nice and slow, dude. Yeah, because it gets kind of sketchy here. Give it a little gas. Okay, let's head back. Head back the way we came. We're gonna have to go. We're gonna have to go through the. What do you call it? The mud. It's okay. We can do it. Should be fine, bro. Should honestly be okay. But yeah, ever since starting this channel, which was like a week ago, I'm thinking about like, you know, where I should go scooter and stuff, other than, you know, these off-road trails that I'm doing. And I'm thinking, because I mean, downtown Castro Valley, let's see if we can just power through this bitch. Oh yeah, we almost did it, but I slipped. Like downtown Hayward and stuff, it's not really, there's not a lot going on. There's not a lot to see. Because I'm from this area, I'm from the East Bay. So I'm gonna have to pack up my scooter in my tiny car and head somewhere. Which is fine. I just don't know where to go. I mean, the big one, the obvious one is San Francisco. I'm thinking maybe next week I'll do a night ride in San Francisco and kind of just explore there for a little bit and all that. And I think that'll be super fun. Because I've ridden scooters, electric scooters in San Francisco. Just not, what do you call it? Not this scooter specifically. Which is going to be a lot better than, because I've ridden the, you know, those little ones you can rent, the Spins, Limes, all those. And those top out at like 15 miles per hour. And, yeah, they're not as fun. Single motor, I'm pretty sure. They don't go up hills. I learned that the hard way. You have to do like one of these up it, just struggling, and then manually push. But this guy is gonna have a lot of fun going up, because this thing just eats fucking hills. Eats them for breakfast, brother. So, yeah, I think we'll do that. I think that'll be cool. And you know what? I think it's this way to the, kind of spits you out like underneath the freeway. It's kind of cool. We'll go this way. Yeah, that's gonna be awesome. Maybe I'll get some food out there, get some lunchies. Cool. The only thing I'm thinking is, how am I gonna get there? I mean, I'd really just want to take Bart, take this to Bart, and then, bees. Pretty sure. Those are for bees, right? Keeping bees? Oh yeah, I can see them flying around. I don't want to get too close. Yeah, those are for bees. Cool. But yeah, getting there is going to be interesting. Because I could drive. I really don't want to. I would drive somewhere, park, and then, get out on scooter, but I really don't want to. My car is a manual car, and I don't have too much confidence in my skill set in the San Francisco hills, fucking not rolling back and hitting another car, So, well, I want to take Bart, but carrying this thing up the stairs, I mean, maybe I could do the escalator, but sometimes it's broken. And then once you get... No, there's not even an escalator. I'm thinking about it. Yeah, this is it. Check it out. Wow. The freeway. The 580 freeway. Yeah. So, I would have to literally carry this thing up the stairs. And this thing is... I think it's like 100-something pounds. So if I carry it, I mean, it's doable, but I can carry this. This is doable. But carrying it upstairs is fucking crazy, dude. I don't think I can do that. I would have to strap it to my back, make like a makeshift strap to do it. But I know they do have elevators. I've never used them. I don't know if I can use them. I think there might just be for like disabled people. I don't know, dude. I've ridden BART many times. I grew up here in the Bay, but I've never really used the elevator. So we'll see. I think anybody can use it. Oh yeah, this is sweet, dude. This is private property. Do not enter. What? All this is private property? This looks like a public trail. This looks like a public trail. Oh, these dang bushes, dude, always smacking me. Always smacking me, bro. Oh. I think I know. I think this leads to a house or something. Yeah. I don't want to get shot. Alright, let's creep just a little bit. If we have to hightail it out, we will. Oh, yeah. It's a house. Okay. Sorry. Let's skedaddle, brother. That's cool. They have their own little private entrance into the Don Castro Regional Park. Nice. Skirt. Alright. I need new tires soon if I keep doing that shit. Yeah. Ooh, look at this. Another bridge. That just leads to neighborhood, looks like. Oh, this is private property too. Sorry. I gotta get out of here, dude. Yeah, what is going on? It says no trespassing. Okay, I'm not trying to get in trouble. Or shot. That's really what I'm not trying to do. I'm not trying to get shot. Okay. I could have swore there was a way to get up to the streets, but maybe it's out this way. Skirt. Maybe I can do my B-roll footage here of me skirting right here. Yeah, maybe not. Guess not, brother. Whoa! Okay. Gotta chill out. It gets away from me. You hear that? think it's just rocks hitting my fender. Pretty sure. Alright. Well, that was the trail. You know what? I think we'll explore one more, and then I'll cut the video. I'll just gotta head back home, get some lunch, eat something good. Let's go here, and then we're gonna turn left. We're gonna go up that hill. Never been up there. Let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. Do. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, yeah. Easy, kinda. I'm really worried about getting the flats. That'd suck. It'll be fine. I keep talking about it. If I keep talking about it, it's gonna happen. I should just shut up and ride. Whoa. Oh, dude, here's the... This seems like private property. This gotta be private property, bro. Oh, what does that say there? Pretty sure it says, yep, private property over there. Let's turn around. Sorry. Is it private that way though? I have a feeling it is. I have a feeling it is. Alameda sewer line over there. Yeah, Alameda County sewer here. This seems like it'll go to a house. Oh. Where are we? I think it just goes to the streets. Huh, it does. Nice. Alright, well, made it out. Oh, that's some fresh poop. That's gross. Okay. Alright. Cool. Alright, y'all. This is, I think this is the Five Canyons area here. This goes straight out into the streets. Cool. Alright, well, yeah, I think I'm gonna cut it here. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, wow. Congrats. Congrats, listening to my ramblings and my voice. Kudos to you, friend. Yeah, hopefully you guys stick around. I think I'm gonna do the where's this go? Hold on before I cut it out. Nah, we'll do that some other time. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. Hopefully you guys stick around. Next week, gonna be going to San Francisco. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna get there, but I really don't want to drive. Gotta try BART. Gotta check out the whole elevator thing. If that works, then boom, we're out. We'll go there. And I want to do it at night, so. Or at least maybe we'll go at dusk because BART stops operating. I think at 1 is the last train, somewhere around there. So yeah, should be a fun ride. Hopefully you guys can make it. Yeah, all right. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Boom.